plum rice flakes milk smoothie or blueberry plum rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the blueberry milkshakes and one of the most different of the blueberry smoothies and one of the most easiest to make of the blueberry recipes and one of the most delicious of the plum recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes. Today we're going to make blueberry plum rice flakes milk smoothie. We have taken around 100 grams of rice flakes, around 50 grams of sugar, around 50 to 75 grams of plum cut into small pieces, and around 50 grams of blueberry, rice flakes, the sugar, the plum and the blueberry. Close and grind well. Open. Pour in cream milk. Close and grind well. Now the blueberry plum rice flakes milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now pour it into the glass. Final blueberry plum rice flakes milkshake or blueberry plum rice flakes milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the blueberry smoothies and one of the most unique of the healthy blueberry smoothies and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes smoothies and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the blueberry recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the plum recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.